If you're wondering how to get this beautiful purple glam look ready for the holidays or any event that you're going for, this is the tutorial for you. So if you're interested, let's get into it. To prime our eyelids, we're going to start with the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Biscuit. This is going to neutralize any shadows or darkness on the eyelid or just on the lower lash line too. With the Natasha Denona Roxa Palette and the shade Wheeler, let's use the Morphe into Ariel eyeshadow brush, which is A20, and let's apply that towards the inner corner first. Make sure you're blending it outwards. Keep building the color as much as you like, as this is your transition shade. With the Rephr 13 brush and the shade Jacaranda, which is a deep purple color, let's apply that more precisely. You need to apply this in a diagonal line. And now put some color into the crease and keep blending. Go in with any blending brush and blend those colors out together. Now with another brush from Rephr, which is 03, this is a more precise one, and we're applying the same color right where we did before. And now blend it out again. Now with the Rephr brush, which is number 13, let's apply the same shade on the lower lash line. This is very simple because we're using minimal shades. We're just changing around our brushes. And now with the shade Eclipse from the eyeshadow palette and with the Rephr 03 brush, let's deepen out the color. You can see I'm not applying it towards the inner corner. And now with the Colourpop E19 brush, let's apply the shade Wheeler to the front half of the eye again. For shimmer, we're going to go in with the shade Concord, which is a beautiful purple shade, and apply that in a diagonal line. Now with the shade Brink, let's use our fingers to apply it as you'll get maximum pigment, and apply that from the center of the eye, going towards the inner corner. Back in with the shade Wheeler, we're going to apply it more precisely towards the inner corner of the eye as a base. Now with the shade Flutter, we're going to apply that on top of what we did before. And with the shade Dixie, let's apply that on the inner corner of the eye. For eyeliner, I'm using the Natasha Denona Macro Tech eyeliner in the shade Burgundy, and we're going to apply that on the lower lash line and tightline the eyes too. Don't forget to curl your lashes. Go in with a volumizing, lengthening mascara like the Fenty Beauty Hella Thicc one and apply that on your lashes. And that's exactly how you get this beautiful purple glam eyeshadow look, which is event ready, and you can even use it for the festive season. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.